Laugh your lawyer day.
Chief.
This place is a palace, so do it very well.
Okay, so I got.
Okay. Yeah. Right from tomorrow. You know, from today till tomorrow, I expect to have power in the house.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Right now we are working at please, where's the name of this? Me, so
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are wild. Charlie, make wild. Yeah, do everything the right way. Yeah, we are doing quality job here. So just make sure everything is in place and in order.
Like.
Hello family, greetings to you and welcome back to my channel. I'm your brother Chief Lamashewiyepal, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and warmly greetings to you all wherever you are. How are you doing and how is our families at your side doing? I hope and pray that you all having a wonderful day and doing a very, great job wherever you are. I mean, doing good wherever you are. Today I'm with these people from the electricity company of Ghana who are working on installing power into my house. That is my guest house, Queen's guest house for life. So these brothers is here very busily working, just making sure that the power is installed. So this is the final process of we getting power into the house. So at the end of the day, we're gonna have power at Queen's guest house, and I'm gonna, I'm gonna install the bulbs to make the back brighter and everything very bright. So don't forget to share this content and subscribe as well if you are new, and click on the notifications bell so that you can always get notifications when I post new videos. And don't forget to do what? Give my videos a thumbs up. So what are you saying? Amwa.
Yes.
Okay. So brother Amwa is here from where?
From Kumasi.
So brother Amwa is from Kumasi. He works with the ECG, that is the electricity company of Ghana, and his brother is also on top there. Who do you understand, friends? Richard Opong, and brother Richard Opong is also there working. So these guys has been very busy, hardworking, very professional, doing their job well. Peeling off the cables to install on the cutouts. So so far so good. Very soon there will be fire in the house. I'm talking about power, not real fire. And I want to say no, with the fire, fire
It's because sometimes the credits are process I train on sudden you said you train.
Okay.
And see I'm a friend my busy account me see for my I'm a trainer kind of fast work.
No more me patcho me some say moon tighty be behind man in your tight. So what you say? Yeah. I'm just telling him that he should screw everything for it to be tight so that we wouldn't have problems with our power. All right, so yeah, so these brothers are here working. As a matter of fact, my electrician has did a very good job. I had the energy commission who, they came over here to test all the wiring, and the wiring was solid, everything was good. And now, the electricity company of Ghana, that is the Volta River Authority or NEDCO, they are here to do the installation. So I'm cool with them, everything is going on well, but I hope and pray that in the near future I'm gonna have what we call the solar panels. I'm gonna go into solar energy. That is, at some point in the future or in the near future, I'm gonna go into solar energy so that I wouldn't have to pay bills anymore. But this is what I have to use whilst planning for the solar, because the solar is much expensive than this. So and therefore I have to deal with this first before the solar. But then when you also take the solar energy, for instance, the solar energy is okay, because once you get the solar, you don't have to go and pay some bills or whatever. You just make the payment at once, and then you have power into your house, and you just use it with the energy that the sun provides. That is what it takes it. I mean, that is what makes it easier for us. So keep watching and just see what we're doing. Yeah. So Queen's Guest Palace or Queen's Guest House is coming along very nice and very beautiful, because everything is on point. And like I said, it's just a matter of dealing with what you have and using it very wisely. I had my first guest today. He came to rent an apartment, but I told him that he should wait for us to finish the installation of the power so that he can come over to make his payment. So business is almost starting to go on. But then I want everything to be in the right place before we do all of this. I don't rush into conclusions. I always want to have a good resource. And I don't rush with people who work for me. I always take my time, maintain my patience to work. For them to work for me, and for me to also work hand in hand with them, so that everything would be successfully done. So that is what is going on. Work is going on, and keep watching.
We want to see. We today.
Okay, so my phone is almost shutting down because they have to put off. So now everything is finished here. Your boss is up there watching you. When you are bread. So when the power is back, that means we're gonna have lights in the house. Okay. So that means if there's already bulbs installed, people can sleep here tonight with lights, with the power on. You sure?
Everybody can sleep here tonight.
What?
Everybody
Can sleep here tonight.
the light will definitely come.
So everybody can sleep here tonight. That's interesting. Charlie, you don't like some swagger things, so you don't work once you don't comb your hair. Hey, this is my first time seeing this. So I understand you. Let me understand what you are doing.
Snap him one.
Do you have some girl here?
Oh, no.
You sure?
My wife did so.
Your wife did? Then you are responsible. That's good. That's good. You don't have time for girlfriends. So all your investment they go to your wife and your family. Hey. Oh wow. But I'm so surprised that you are working and combing your hair. Hey.
Every time you have to, you need to be gentle and those things.
Hey. But you know comb them all. Because you just begin and I started to talk about it. Hey. Wow. Then you are just making yourself look good whilst you go. Everywhere you go.
Yeah, of course.
Hey. Wow. Well, anyways, your haircut looks good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. Yeah. You are a gentle Jack.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You know, very hardworking and still wants to be good. You know, to look good, I mean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boss.
Can you comb your hair once again?
Let me finish it.
You for finish, Amo. Wow. That's amazing. Which part of the Ashanti region are you from?
Santasi.
Kumasi, Santasi.
Santasi, yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice.
My fakata. So how am I requesting the community? I'm a madia. Papa video. Yeah, the clock could not say one. Maybe the uncle some have a way they may just be Papa video. So you this was sending you to the new. Yes. Maybe they are free when I'm the two.
I get gray hair.
Oh.
I get gray hair because I'm an old man. I'm an old boy. an old boy and an old chief, you know. I've used your comb and see how it works. Hey.
It's very gentle.
Gentle. Oh wow. All right, Charlie.
My boss.
Yeah, take your comb. All right, so that's how we do it. Just having fun whilst working and look good as well as working. All right, so thank you all for watching and thank you all for your time. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. click on the notifications bell so that you'll be able to get notifications when you subscribe. Always when I post videos, you're gonna get notifications on the videos that I post. And just go ahead and give my videos thumbs up on behalf of all these brothers working here. Brother Amwa. So Brother Amwa is here on behalf of him. His brother working here. All those who are working here to make the project a successful one, to make us have power into the house from the beginning to the end. Those who are just working, using their talents here and everything. I just want to say I appreciate them all, and I really, pray that, their hard work will pay off. Thank you all for your time and, your support. Appreciate you all. Peace and salute. Blessings.